Do you have all these lights on, your ABS, traction control, and your doors are not opening when the car's on after a dead battery? I've got a 2011 Honda Odyssey, and it's been a pain because in order to open and close the sliding doors, I have to have the car off. So what I'm going to do today is try and fix it. Hope you're doing well. It's Michael with How To, and I figured since I couldn't find anything online about how to fix this issue, I'll make a video and hopefully be able to fix it for you, save you a bunch of money instead of having to take it into the mechanic or a dealership. So, like I said, this is 2011 Honda Odyssey, and the doors won't open with the car on, so I have to have it off. I just wanted to show you the lights. But I did read on a forum somewhere, I think a Honda Odyssey forum, that the more advanced OBD2 sensor, I'm not even sure if that's the same thing. I have an OBD2, just basic one. I tried to clear the codes, it didn't work. I tried to unplug the battery for 30 minutes, plug it back in, it didn't work. So what I read on a forum somewhere, I think a Honda Odyssey forum, is that you could get this Actron CP9670, and it's more advanced, or maybe a similar, more advanced one. I'll put a link for this one. I got it on Amazon. It took a couple of weeks to get here, but I'm hoping that this will solve the problem. So I'll take you along the journey here and see if it does. I couldn't find it again on the forum, so that's why I'm making this video. But yeah, let's open this up and see if we can clear the codes. The forum said something about resetting the ABS lights, and I didn't have that option with the basic OBD2 sensor that I've got. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, this is the bad boy. I think it was about 170 bucks, but yeah, might be cheaper than going to a mechanic. I don't know, I'm all about getting tools that you can reuse and get its value, return on investment over time. So let's see what it says when we hook this bad boy up. Yay, I fixed it. It worked. I can now, the car is running, my ABS is off, and the doors work. Sweet. And it's not beeping like crazy. Alright, so here's how I did it. I'll just walk you through it. I thought I recorded it, but I didn't hit the record button. So basically, you hook up your OBD2 sensor right here, and if you've never used one, under the key, under the dash, there's a little port that it plugs in. So you turn the key to the on position without the car running, just kind of one click, and then you'll go through. So you scan, and then basically there was 3 ABS codes shown, so you click enter on it. It says erasing ABS codes on some Honda models, also recalibrates the VSA sensors. So what I had to do is have it on level ground and the steering wheel straight and not be on the brake, and you just hit enter. Here it gives you instructions: level ground, press enter, must be off the brake pedal, enter, and steering wheel must be centered in front and straight, hit enter. All the conditions met, yes. Communicating with the vehicle, working. Hold on, buddy, be quiet. I'm almost done with this video. Thanks for helping. And then it says command sent, codes remaining 0, press enter to continue. Before it gave me an error saying that it didn't work. Now the car is on and it said it did work, but either way, it did work and solve the problem. I just went ahead and I actually did it a few times to make sure, because I didn't think it worked. But yeah, just basically go through and erase the ABS codes with this Actron. Again, here's the type, the CP9670 70 is good enough to do it. Got it on Amazon. And yeah, to save you time, I'll put a link in the description to the one. Just make sure you get the right one if you want. But essentially you just plug it in here. Right there is the port. Erase the ABS codes, and ta-da, back in business. Hey, thanks for watching. I don't make a lot of videos, but from time to time, if I see there's a need for a video that nobody's got one on, I'll do that. I'll make a video on it like this one. So feel free to subscribe or hit the like button if this solved your problem. Thanks.